Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make sauce rouge. And first you need to boil the beans. You need those beans like this. This is the beans. So you need to wash it and soak it overnight. That way it doesn't take long to boil. So after you boil it, you blend it and then turn it into a puree like this. And make sure you put some beans in there. Some extra beans. After the puree, I added some beans in there. And you need thyme. Those are the ingredients that you need. You need jiwa, bell pepper, and I like to add some gumbo, some okra in there. It's very good. And you need scotch pepper, garlic. I like to add tomato paste. And this is called andouille. I don't know how they call it in English. This is it's made with pork. They marinate the pork and I think they leave it out. I don't know how to make it. Anyways, you need coconut milk and chives, parsley, and also I'm gonna make this with some white rice, and I have some goat meat here. Ooh, smells really good. Let me show you guys. This is yummy. Alright, and here I put this on the boil after I pureed the beans. So I'm gonna let it boil and I'm gonna add the ingredients. I'm gonna add some butter and the coconut milk. I have it frozen. I'm not sure where I put it. Oh, here. I put it frozen. I like the frozen kind better, but yeah, it's up to you. And then I'm gonna cut the okra and then I'm gonna add it in there. And basically when you're boiling it, you put all the ingredients, and then at the end you just have to add some salt, butter, and you taste it and see if you need to add some pepper, some more scotch pepper, because I like it spicy, a little spicy, not too spicy, but flavorful. Oh, I put onions also when I'm boiling it. I put onions, bell pepper. I put this thing here, green. What is it called again? Anyways, I put it in there. And I put garlic, so when it's boiled, it already has all the flavor. So all you have to do is blend it, and then